Hi guys, it's Lindsay, aka Makeup and Mobility, a channel where we like to focus on makeup and disability advocacy. As you can see in today's video, it's going to be my ARC of Oklahoma legislative breakfast pictures for the year of 2026. The ARC of Oklahoma hosted a legislative breakfast for our partner agencies and legislators. Here's a picture of me and Jen Randall, the executive director of our DD Council. Here's a picture of me and Representative Allie Seyfried, who really takes the time to get to know me and developmental disability issues that are important to the DD community. We talked about everything from mental health to developmental disability services being cut. Here's a bunch of people from our partner agencies. Here's a picture of me talking to Representative Ellen Hefner, who is great. She's also a parent of a child with a developmental disability. She is a powerhouse of a legislator. I really enjoy her and getting to know her and working alongside her every time I come up to the Capitol. She's also always nice, and I really enjoy her. Here's a bunch of people standing around and talking. Here's Representative Ellen Hefner talking to Athena Captain. Here's a bunch of different people from our partner agencies. Again, a bunch of different people from our partner agencies. Here's Lisa Kelly, the CEO and executive director of the ARC of Oklahoma. She is a powerhouse of a woman, and I just am lucky enough to know her. Here's someone from A New Leaf, one of our partner agencies. Again, a lot of our partner agencies just sitting around talking. Here's a picture of my grandma talking to a bunch of different people. Here's a picture of Nancy Ward and I. Nancy Ward is a self-advocate who was also on the steps of the Capitol when the ADA was signed, which I think is pretty awesome. She is awesome. Here's Lisa Kelly again. Here is our partner agencies. A bunch of different people from our partner agencies. Here's a representative coming in and talking to us. And just that. Here's my favorite legislator, one of my favorite legislators, Andy Fugate. I love him. He also takes the time to get to know me and listen to my issues. Here's a bunch of different legislators just talking, and yeah. Here is a legislator again with Lisa Kelly. Here is Jen Randall with a bunch of different people from our partner agencies. Here's a legislator talking to Dina Drebeck from the ARC. Here is me talking to a bunch of different people from our partner agencies. Here is just a bunch of different people from our partner agencies and legislators. Again, a bunch of different people from our partner agencies and our legislators. Here's Lisa Kelly with Julie Lackey. Here's a group picture of us. Another group picture of us. And yet another group picture of us. It was a pretty large group with all our different partner agencies and board members and everything. And here's another group picture. And a bunch of different people standing around talking. Here's me talking to a individual, and here's me talking to Representative Arturo Alonso. Here's me talking to some of our city council members who I ran into, who are also some of my former legislators, which was actually kind of weird not knowing them as my legislators anymore. But they're awesome. And thank you guys so much for watching. Find beauty and advocacy and keep rolling on. Love you. Bye.